We have so many amazing handmade shampoo bars right here at Hennasooq that are going to be absolutely amazing for your hair, great to travel with, and infused with raw natural Ayurvedic herbs to focus on your hair goals. And I have formulated these shampoo bars with the right ingredients to help you reach all of your hair goals and meet all of your hair needs. Especially those of you who have dry hair or fine delicate hair strands and are struggling with shampoo bars that will meet your needs and also be well balanced, for your hair as well. So I'm going to tell you a bit more about them. Let me show you the ones that we have, how they're made, the behind the scenes, the whole process. So welcome. My name is Khadija. I am the CEO and founder of this amazing brand, Henna Sooq. We specialize in henna natural hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and henna and gyro body art. Let's get into these lovely shampoo bars, which have been recently rebranded as well. They got these cute boxes that we just redesigned. What I love about these boxes is that there's no more labels on it anymore, and they are packed with even more information, how to use them, all the information that you need all in one, and a cute little window because we only use pure essential oils in all of our products, and this will give you an idea of how it will leave your hair feeling and smelling. Now, first up is our soap nut shampoo bar. This is infused with soap nut, aka aretha powder, and this is like really good at clarifying your hair. And it's also infused with peppermint essential oil, which is also very invigorating for the hair and scalp. And I feel like it opens up your hair to receive henna and Ayurvedic masks and color really easily. What I also love about this particular blend of oils in this soap nut shampoo bar is that it's one of our bars that are really foamy naturally, because all of our shampoo bars are SLS free, so there's no artificial ingredients in it to make it like suds up or have foam boosters, none of that. And a good amount of moisture, so it's like a medium level moisture bar. This one's really good and quite popular. All right, next up is the henna shampoo bar, and it's infused with organically certified henna powder. And also we use our essential oil blend of cajuput, lavender, and bergamot, which is aka our red rash bliss blend. And that essential oil is infused in this with some really great oils that makes it like a medium level moisturizing bar, but it focuses on strengthening. So if you're looking for that strength of the henna and not necessarily get like that color out of it, then this is the bar for you. Another great bar for those of you looking to detox is gonna be our Moroccan clay shampoo bar, Detox. Yes, because it is infused with the Moroccan Rasoul clay. It smells like lavender because we use our lavender essential oil in this. And I would say this is like good for, medium level of moisture. So, if your hair is normal to dry, this will be a great bar for you, but it's a bit detoxifying as well because of the clay. So you may have to use a bit more conditioning afterwards using this bar in particular. And it's a great bar for you if you're looking to detox and get rid of buildup, especially when it comes to your hair and you want a fresh start. Next up is our Mad Moisture. This is a head to toe shampoo and body bar. It is amazing for all things hair and skin. It's so moisturizing, it suds amazing, and it smells so good. It's like got that lavender and sweet orange, essential oil blend in it, and it just focuses on moisture, so it's very good for dry hair. It's a great bar to have. Another very popular shampoo bar is our Coco Vada shampoo bar. It's infused with ginger essential oil, so that is just stimulating for the scalp. It's warming. It's gonna help your hair to promote hair growth from your scalp because you're stimulating it and warming and creating that blood circulation there with this particular bar. And not only that, it's infused with 5 Ayurvedic hair strengthening and scalp treating herbs directly. By the way, when we infuse herbs, we're using the whole herbs. We're not using like herbal oil extracts, none of that. See that color? That shows you the herbs have been blended directly into this bar for you guys. And this is very rich and moisturizing because it's also infused with organic coconut milk, It is a luxurious bar and definitely one of our best sellers. So you definitely have to have this on hand if that's your hair focus. Next up is our Sweet Honey Shampoo Bar. This one is ideal for all hair types, all hair textures, and especially those who have very fine and delicate hair strands. So you don't want something that's gonna like just weigh your hair down. You want something very nice and cleansing, moisturizing, and just really well balanced, and it smells amazing. This is infused with a lemongrass essential oil and raw natural honey and cassia. So this bar is for you if you are looking for a well-balanced bar that draws in moisture, because honey is a natural humectant, and the cassia for the extra cleansing, and also the lemongrass that adds a lot of shine to your hair. Then yes, this bar is definitely for you. All right, and last but not least, our Argan oil infused shampoo and body bar. This one is great for those of you who have sensitive skin. It has 0 essential oils in it. So those of you who have a lot of sensitivities, this is great for you. You could use it on your face, your body, your hair, everywhere. And it's rich and moisturizing. It's great for like normal to dry hair. And infused with argan oil leaves your hair shiny and just really looking gorgeous. Like, this is definitely a great bar for you. And the box is super cute because it's part of our Moroccan collection. Love, love, love this one. It's a must-have. Let me show you the behind the scenes, the process of how our shampoo bars are made here at Hennasooq. So when we're making our shampoo bars, we're naturally going to be, joining the lye with the oils. And once we join those and those become as one, then we add in the raw natural herbs, the essential oils, and all the other additives like coconut milk, honey, everything else that we want to add to those shampoo bars, we add directly to that whole mixture. What's great is that we use a cold press method, and this cold process procedure helps us add the ingredients at the right time when the temperature is like cooler. It's not so hot, because when we start mixing the lye and the water together, it is like at 160 degrees or 170 degrees, Fahrenheit, and that is really hot. So when we allow it to cool down, we blended everything together, when it's in that warm stage, 110 degrees, 120 degrees, then we put all of those great ingredients in it. And what I love about this type of procedure, because of cold press, is it doesn't break down the benefits of those ingredients. When you're using heat, sometimes it could break down, some of the ingredients, and you can't get the real benefits out of them. So this process allows these ingredients to stay really good in quality, and the benefits and everything to stay in such a great state that gives you all the benefits that you need for your hair. And we make our shampoos in very small batches. We're making 120 bars at a time. And then once it has completely solidified in about 24 to 48 hours, then from there it is ready to cut. We use our soap cutter to cut every log that we have by hand, and then once those are cut, we lay them out on our trays and we let those dry. And really you need to let cold press sit for at least 2 to 3 weeks, and during that time the bars get richer, harder, and just really give you more longevity out of it as well. So we carry currently about 7 different types of shampoo bars, and remember, every single bar focuses on your hair goals and your focus. So choose according to not only what will smell great, but also the benefits of that shampoo bar for your hair to help you reach your hair goals. And what's great about shampoo bars? See, shampoo bars, especially ours here at Hennasooq, they're SLS free. There's no foam boosters, made with raw, natural, wholesome ingredients. We got the pure essential oils in there, right? No artificial fragrances, like nothing that is gonna be what you would consider like a chemical that could be harmful to you. So really great natural ingredients, focusing on your individual hair type as well. Like if you have locks, this is perfect for you, because this, without those foam boosters in it, like those shampoo bars will cleanse your hair, and it'll be just so easy to wash out and leave it really hydrated. So you know how conditioners can sometimes build up in your hair, and if you suffer from like having buildup in any type of way oh, the shampoo bars are going to be a game changer for you. Like, they're just so great to have. They're so convenient. And if you cut them in 3, you get even more longevity out of them because you're going to be using a piece at a time. Like, I highly recommend that all of you do that because you don't want this goodness that you've spent your hard-earned money on to be sitting in your shower or bath and just getting exposed to water. It's going to melt faster. So just make sure you cut 1/3 of your bar at a time and use bit by bit. So if you have dry hair, these are gonna be my top 3 recommendations for you. Got our Coco Vada shampoo bar, very moisturizing, infused with coconut milk. And our matte moisture bar, excellent, really good, just all that moisture. And our soap nut shampoo bar, even though it's really clarifying, it's really moisturizing. It just gives you all the goods. So definitely these 3 would be my recommendation for very dry hair if you're trying it out for the first time. And if you have like normal to dry hair, then I definitely recommend the Henna shampoo bar and also the Moroccan clay bar. These would be great for you. And for those of you who have like oily to normal hair, then I highly recommend the Argan oil bar and the sweet honey shampoo bar. Definitely one of our best sellers right here. So you could use those and have that well-balanced hair treatment and cleansing treatment all in one. So thank you for tuning in. Let me know also in the comments below, what is your favorite shampoo bar? Do you have a favorite? Or if you don't have a favorite yet, which one do you think that you're gonna try? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your comments. I'm gonna choose 3 winners from the comments of this video to win a bundle of shampoo bars. So make sure you comment below. And after this video airs, you have about 3 days to enter your comments. Thank you again, and I appreciate you tuning in. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the great content that we have for you guys. See you.